If you've ever wondered how AI can make your daily life smoother, this channel is for you. We explore clever tools, simple tricks, and fun ways to use technology without any stress. Whether you're curious or just want easier workflows, you'll feel right at home here.
What if I told you that in less time than it takes to make a coffee, you could have a logo, color palette, social graphics, business cards, and branded templates ready to go? Today, we're putting that claim to the test. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a logo and brand design tool called Luca. I've been playing around with it and I want to walk you through how it actually works, what you get, and whether it feels like something real creators and small business owners can use. So here's the idea. Luca is a platform that helps you design a logo and build a whole brand kit around it. Think of a one-stop place where you not only get your logo, but your colors, fonts, social media assets, business cards, and even templates for things like invoices and posters, all built to match your brand. From the screenshots I grabbed, you can see they generate tons of designs based on your inputs, and then you customize from there. This isn't just a logo export. This is a living brand system. Let's be honest, starting a brand from scratch can feel overwhelming. You might know what you want in your head, but translating that into visuals, that's hard, especially if you're not a designer. Luca tries to solve that exact challenge by taking your name, style preferences, and mood, and giving you a variety of logo options to choose from. Then it builds everything around that. Okay, check this out. Once you enter your brand name, the tool generates tons of logo variations. In the screen here, you can see suggested logos with different styles. Some bold, some minimal, some graphic heavy. You can click through them and choose one that feels right. Once you pick it, Luca generates what they call a brand kit, which includes color palette based on your chosen logo, logo files in multiple formats, social media profile graphics, cover images, business cards, letterheads, email signatures, and more. The website shows example brand assets with a green and white theme. Everything looks consistent, which is a huge time saver. I have to say, the branding mockups they show are actually pretty sleek. Seeing your logo on a phone screen or on a business card instantly makes it feel more real. The color palette tool is nice too. They even show the hex codes, so if you want to take this into something like Canva or Figma later, you can. One thing I noticed, there's a ton of output included if you go with the brand kit, so it doesn't feel like you're just buying a single image file and done. Now here's what pricing looks like. And again, I'm reading this right from the screenshot so we're accurate. A basic logo package is listed at $35 one time, giving you a low-res logo file. A premium logo package is around $72 one time and includes more high-resolution files. Then they have a brand kit subscription, looks like $96 per year, billed annually, and this is the one that unlocks the full suite of branded templates and designs shown earlier. There's even an option with a brand kit plus web subscription around $129 per year, which adds an AI-generated website on top of everything else. So you can choose just a logo or go all in on a full brand system. Here's how I'd break it down if you're using it right now. Enter your brand name and style preferences, pick from generated logo options, customize colors, fonts, icons, download your assets, or go for the brand kit. Use those files for social, print, digital, literally everywhere. Alright, if you're thinking about building a logo or just trying to get your brand visuals organized, Luca is definitely worth checking out. I had fun clicking through the options, and I love seeing everything come together in one place. If you want me to do a follow-up video where I actually build a brand live with Luca and then export the files into other tools, let me know in the comments. Also hit like if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tool reviews like this. Thanks for watching.